The TikTok Shop Gold Rush is entering a new era. In the past year, you can throw any product up and have 10K months. Now, most sellers are stuck on the income roller coaster, making 5K one month, 500 the next, and always being one product away from starting over. But top sellers evolved beyond just selling products. While most fight over scraps, they discovered how to profit from the same research tools they're already using to find winning products. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you the two-part strategies they use. First, how they're finding winning videos instead of just chasing products. And second, how to get recurring income from the same tool they're already using. So what exactly changed? Well, in the past year, TikTok Shop was like the Wild West. You could promote literally anything, like a random phone case, and people would buy it. But then everyone hopped on the TikTok trend and figured it out. Now, the same phone case that made someone 10K last month has hundreds of people pushing it, and the market is flooded with people pushing the exact same thing. So as a result, most sellers get stuck in this dreaded cycle. They find a product that looks promising, promote it, and it flops because they are the 200th person to jump on it. They're always one step behind chasing trends that are already dead, and it's only getting worse. 3 new sellers enter your niche every single day. The window between finding a product and it getting oversaturated is shrinking from weeks to days. What used to give you a month to capitalize on a trend now gives you maybe 2 weeks before everyone else catches on. So by the time you see it working for someone else and decide to test it yourself, you're already competing against hundreds of other sellers for the same audience. And here's the thing, while you're playing catch up with yesterday's trends, the top sellers are already positioning themselves for next week's winners. How? They're using tools like fastmoss to see what everyone else can't see. And they discovered a completely different approach to doing this. Instead of taking the time to find winning products, they are reverse engineering winning ads. They find videos that made at least 10K in sales. Then they see exactly what made those videos work. It could be the hook, it could be the angle, or the audience. Then they find similar products and recreate the same winning formula. So while everyone else is copying products, they're copying the strategy behind them. For example, they can see that this video with this specific hook generated $16,000 in sales. So they find a similar product and use a similar approach. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. This is fastmoss. And by the way, if you want to try it, the fastmoss trial link below will get you 15 days free. You can see all the products here, but watch this. Instead of just looking at the products, I can just click on any product and see the videos promoting it. For example, this one made $16,000 in sales from this one video. I can see exactly what hook they used, how they presented the product, and what angle worked. Now I can find a similar product and use this exact same formula. It's like having a cheat sheet for what makes sales. You can see the commission rate, how many units sold, and which creators are making the most money. Now, when I'm actually looking for products to promote, I always filter by commission rate first. I want at least 15%, so I'm not making pennies per sale. Then I look for products that have sold at least 5,000 units. That's a sweet spot where it's proven, but not oversaturated yet. But filtering is just the beginning. The real money is in the trending direction. For example, this product sold 1,200 units last week and 3,600 units this week. That's a 200% increase, which means it has potential to pick up fast. But the problem is most people will only find it after it's saturated. That's why I come in here maybe twice a week, spend like 20 minutes going through this data, and I can find 3 to 4 products that are about to take off. That way I know I'm ahead of the curve and promoting products that will make me money. Now, once I find these trending products, I need to know how to promote them. That's where this feature becomes crucial. I can see exactly which videos actually generate sales. For example, look at this video with over 600,000 views, and it generated $11,800 in sales. With a 20% in commission rate, that's over $2,000 of take-home profit from this one video. This creator figured out how to convert their audience, and you can see exactly what they did in their videos. And these are really the things that separates the top sellers making $10,000 per month from those guessing and making just a few $100s per week. Now, using fastmoss for product research is already good, but there's a second way to profit from this evolving gold rush, and it might be even better than selling products. Fastmoss has an affiliate program that normally pays 15% commission for every person you refer, and it's recurring income. So if someone signs up and pays $50 per month, you'll get $7.50 every month they stay subscribed. But here's where it gets better. Fastmoss has different affiliate tiers. Since I'm a tier 1 affiliate, if you sign up through my affiliate link, you become my tier 2 sub-affiliate, which bumps your commission up to 20% instead of the standard 15%. If you already know you want to jump on this opportunity, you can sign up using the second link below. You get 20% in commission as my sub-affiliate. But let me break down exactly how this works for everyone else. So using that same example, if someone signs up through your link at $50 per month, you get $10 every month instead of the $7.50. By using my link, you get higher commissions and there's no application process. You're auto approved as my sub affiliate. And since you are my sub affiliate, I also earn a team bonus when you make sales. But that doesn't take anything away from your 20%. So let me break down the actual numbers for you because this adds up fast. Say you refer just 5 people who sign up for fastmoss at $50 a month. That's $50 recurring income every single month for just referring 5 people. The next month, maybe you refer 3 more people directly. Now you're making $80 monthly recurring income. Month 3, you get 4 more referrals. Now you're at $120 monthly recurring. Within 6 months, you could easily be looking at $500 plus monthly recurring income just from referring a tool you're already using. That's $6,000 plus per year in passive income on top of your TikTok shop sales. Now let me walk you through exactly how I promote this without being weird or salesy, because that's where most people mess up. When I post content about my TikTok shop wins, I naturally weave in the tools I use. Instead of just saying I made 3K this week, I would say something like, I found this product using fastmoss data. It showed me this was trending up 200% week over week, so I knew this was going to be a winning product. This approach gives value while mentioning the tool. Or in the comments when people ask about my research process, I don't just say use fastmoss. I explain my actual method. I filter for 15% plus in commission rates, look for products in the 5K unit range, then check the trending data. The tool I use for this is fastmoss. My link is in my bio if you want to check it out. So I will explain it and give a call to action like this. But my favorite approach is that I make dedicated content about my research process. I screen record myself going through fastmoss, showing exactly which filters I use, explaining why I skip on certain products and jump on others. People love behind the scenes content, and it naturally shows the tool without feeling like a sales pitch. For example, 2 months ago, I made a video called Exactly How to Make Money with TikTok Shop Affiliate and just walked through my actual fastmoss research process. That video has gotten over 35,000 views and generated more than 50 signups because people could see the exact value the tool provides. The key is always leading with value first. Show them your wins, explain your process, then mention the tools that make it possible. When you do it that way, people don't feel sold. Instead, they feel like you're just sharing insider knowledge. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I don't have a massive following. How am I supposed to make money from this? Look, you don't need millions of followers. You just need to be talking to other TikTok shop sellers, which you probably already are. Or maybe you're thinking, what if people don't actually buy through my link? Well, here's the thing. You're not asking them to buy some random products. You're sharing a tool that every TikTok shop sellers eventually needs. And if you're wondering if this is actually worth your time, think about it this way. You're already giving advice on tools and strategies for free. This just lets you get paid for the recommendations you're already making. To be totally clear, you've got 2 options. Option 1, if you want to just level up your product research game and start finding winning products with actual data instead of guessing, use the first link below. You get a 15-day free trial of fastmoss, so you can test it out totally risk-free. Option 2, if you want to add that second income stream on top of your TikTok shop business, use the second link below. It is for affiliates. You'll become my tier 2 sub-affiliate, get 20% commissions, and you can start earning recurring income from the same tool you're already using to grow your business. Either way, you're getting access to the same data that's helping top sellers stay ahead of the competition. The only difference is whether you want to just use the tool or also make money from referring it to others. Both links are in the description below, along with code KM1500 for your 10% discount. Don't leave money on the table. The TikTok Shop Gold Rush is evolving, and now you know exactly how to profit from both sides of it.